Okay, good. Okay, good evening, everyone. Today I'm gonna discuss about causes of classroom conflict. Introduction. Classroom conflict refers to disagreements, tension, or struggles between individuals in a classroom. It can occur between students, between a student and teacher, or even between groups. Understanding the causes help teachers manage behavior and maintain a positive learning environment. Okay, now the types of classroom conflict. Type number one is student versus student, disagreements, bullying, or rivalry. The second type is student versus teacher, defiance, disrespect, or miscommunication. And third, group conflict. Issues in group work, unequal participation. Common cause of conflict, miscommunication. Students may misunderstand instructions of each other. Cultural difference. Backgrounds and values may clash. Jealousy or competition. Academic pressure or favoritism. Unclear expectations. Poor communication of rules. The related causes from teacher. Inconsistent discipline causes resentment. Favoritism students feel left out. Lack of authority leads to misbehavior. Related causes by student is behavior issues, aggressive or disruptive behavior, emotional stress, personal struggles affect behavior, lack of social skills, difficulty resolving conflicts. Environmental causes, overcrowded classrooms, less space, more tension, poor layout, poor layout, frus- frustration from disorganizations, distractions, noise, discomfort, or lack of materials. Example from real life is two students argue over shared computer because unclear group rules. Example two, a student talks back to teacher because personal stress and miscommunication. Conflict are common but manageable. Cause causes include personal, environmental, and teacher-related factors. Early understanding and action help maintain peace. Okay, now for part two, the problem one is Mr. Elazar's difficulty managing off-task behavior during discussions. The solution is set clear expectation, assign roles, physical arrangement, nonverbal cues, and positive reinforcement. First is set clear expectation. Before discussions, Mr. Elazar should explicitly outline acceptable and acceptable behaviors. The second is assign roles. Giving students structured roles helps engage all students and reduce off-task behavior. And then physical arrangement. Move disruptive students to the front or integrate them into smaller discussion groups. The fourth is nonverbal cues. Use proximity, eye contact, and subtle signals to redirect behavior without interrupting the flow. And the last is positive reinforcement. Knowledge students will contribute constructively to model the desired behavior. In the problem two, Stefanos is disruptive and sarcastic behavior. Solution is private conversation, set boundaries, and enforce consequences. Engagement strategies, and positive behavior reinforcement. The first is private conversation. Ms. Gendra should speak to Stefano privately to address his behavior without giving him an audience, and then set boundaries firmly but respectfully explain the impact of his behavior and the consequences of continued disruption. Then enforce consequences. Follow through with logical and consistent consequences. And fourth is judgment strategies. Provide Stefano with leadership tasks or responsibilities that channel his energy positively. And the last is positive behavior reinforcement gets and praise Stefano when he engages appropriately, shifting peer approval to positive actions. And the third problem is Miss Ezekiel's class affected by teasing and conflict. Solution is community building activities, clear unsibling rules, social emotional learning, restorative practices, immediate intervention. Okay, the first one, community building activities. Establish a sense of team and empathy through structured group activities that promote collaboration. The second is clear and sibling rules. Co-create rules with students and condemn teasing and promote respect. Social emotional learning. Integrate social emotional learning to teach empathy, self-regulation, and conflict resolutions. And fourth is restorative practice. Lemon circle time or peer mediation to address incidents and rebuild trust. Glasses immediate intervention. Address teasing as it happens and mediate conflicts before they escalate. Okay, that's it from me. See you next time. Thank you.